Hey, so I am trying to finish packing my makeup room right now. There's quite a lot of stuff to do still, but for the most part, I just want to get all the stuff into little boxes because the boys are getting a U-Haul. When they get back, they're gonna get all the big stuff such as the bed, the sofa, chairs, and my makeup desk. All this huge storage. But yeah, I'm super excited. Oh, and you know what's weird? Every time I pack or move, it's always raining, and today happens to be raining. Weather forecast did say that it's gonna stop raining at 5 o'clock, and it's around 4 right now, so fingers crossed that I don't have to do too much mopping when we move to the new place. I haven't been this excited in quite a while because I've always wanted a place of my own that I don't have to fix. First few places or houses that I bought in the past, they were more of houses that I had to fix. My second house that I got was actually a fixer-upper, so when we had moved in, we had to do basically everything from top to bottom. We had to repaint the walls, we had to change the flooring, got new carpets, changed a lot of the fixture out. The kitchen, we had to redo everything. So it was a lot of work, it was time-consuming, and it was quite frustrating and a bit overwhelming. But this house is actually a completely brand new house. The builder that we went with is actually Lennar. I don't know about the other builders, but for them, whatever you see in the model homes that you walk into is almost basically 95% of what you're gonna get when you buy the house. So they already chose the colors for you, the countertops, backsplash, all that. So if you're the kind of person you can't decide and you walk into something that you like, then that builder will be kind of something that you would be interested in. For a lot of the other builders, when you walk into a house or a model home, everything that you see in there, they're all upgrades, or they have choices for you to choose from, so that can be a bit overwhelming. I like that this builder, we were able to walk in and be like, oh wow, this is exactly what I want my house to look like, and hey, that's exactly what you're pretty much gonna get. There are sessions such as the backsplash. We were able to decide what we wanted for the backsplash, and also they had like the countertops, you can choose what you want. They had granite, or you can go with a different finish. Also, I'm trying to think what else. It was really limited though. It was really quick when we went into the design center to choose what we want, which I didn't mind at all because I already wanted what I saw. Aside from all of that, if you've never bought a house before, you've never actually have this experience, then it'll be kind of confusing what I'm explaining to you. But anyways, I'm super excited. And I am starving. I'm so hungry. I just got off work maybe about 2 hours ago. Got home and started packing right away. And I'm starving. I've been craving for pho for a very long time now. My sister Lisa actually took me to this pho place called, I think it's Q Noodles or Noodle Q's in town, and we went there a couple of weeks ago, and I absolutely love the pho there. The noodles they make them from scratch, and the broth is amazing. The beef is so tender, it melts in your mouth. So I'm thinking I kind of want to get that after we finish packing. So I'm going to try to finish packing because the boys are probably going to be here anytime now. And I'm going to try to finish getting all this stuff out and put it into boxes. I already have a lot of my makeup stuff in here. So I just got to pack my computer. Everything that you see here is already all gone. My makeup in here, they're all gone already. I still need to pack all of my Louis bags and put them in their own individual boxes. Decluttering my stuff. I don't think I'm gonna use this anymore. This is my trash bag. Declutter as much as possible if we move to the new place. I don't want to take things that I don't use ever, really. Just do this real quick. That's trash. Alright, I'm gonna still use that though. This is probably gonna go trash. This is a mess and it gets everywhere. Okay, all these, sorry, but I don't like this at all. It's trash. It's trash. I like this, but this is really, really thick. That's okay. Oh, I do not like this at all. So I just got this big old 10 by 20 inch, I think, box to put all of my Louis stuff in. And I'm going to start with these boxes first at the bottom to support. And then I'll just throw pretty much everything into the box. I don't have too much stuff in there. Actually, I kind of like my collection. Not too little, not too big, just perfect. So I don't use these dust bags ever. But I guess the one opportunity to use them is when you are moving And inside is my artsy in the azure print. I love this bag so much. Reminds me of my trip when I went to Hawaii. I got it there. But yeah, I got this, they gave me my first drawstring when I went there. Anyways, can you guys believe I got these two gorgeous pouches from Louis maybe about a month ago. I was stalking the website literally for 3 months and got my hands on it. This is the Toiletry 26 and then this is the Toiletry 19. Amazing. I can't believe I got my hands on this. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a review on these two bags in comparison shortly, so stay tuned for that. They are so gorgeous. I'm just bagging everything in the big dust bag. This is the second night at our new place. Everything is pretty much almost in, and I am so tired. I didn't sleep till 1 last night, and then I had to work at 6, so I was up at 4. I had about 3 hours of sleep. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit of organizing and cleaning and unpacking, and yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna be doing more unpacking, and I bought a bunch of stuff at the store to help organize a bunch of stuff that I currently have. This is the tile that we chose. It's a pretty neutral gray with a, it's in the middle. I don't know if it's more cool tone or warm tone. I would say it's in the middle, but I love it, and I love the color of our walls. It's this nice gray. It's nice and modern, but oh my gosh, there's a humongous couch. I absolutely love it, and yeah, the girls already started making a big mess. And those are my makeup stand. I need to put that in the master bedroom, but I think this is the living room, so this is where our TV is gonna go, right there. Hey guys, I just got home from work, and I did a little bit of shopping last night at Target, and I got a few things for the house. And ooh, this lighting, trying to find good lighting. Okay, this is the kitchen lighting. So yeah, I got a little bit of decor and a little bit of stuff that I needed to get for the house from Target. Anyway, I haven't gone shopping, Christmas shopping, in a good minute, and I went last night and it was so packed. There was so much people. The Christmas section was everything there was pretty much 95% wiped out. I just went to get some things I need to get, necessities for the house, and also want to get a gift for my little niece. It was her 1-year birthday yesterday. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so I got some of these containers for the kitchen. This is where my forks, knives, and spoons is gonna go. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have it in this way, in the cabinet this way, so when it slides out, it will come out like this. And I got one of this. The price wasn't too bad. I think it was only $8. And then I got 2 of these containers to put for the bigger spoons that you use to stir soups and pick stuff out of. Oh, and that's Lila's cookie. But yeah, so I got 2 of these, and I think they'll fit. I might need to get a third one. I wasn't sure it was gonna be too wide, so I just got 2 for now. But they were these were I think $6 for one, so it wasn't too bad. And then I did pick up, so I got 2 of these gray trash cans, one for the master bed and one for the guest room. They're actually a decent size. Can't take it out, but yeah, that's how it looks like. It's kind of modern, and it goes with our house theme color at the moment. I think they were about $10 each, so not bad for pricing. And then we've been eating out of fast food and all that since we haven't got a refrigerator yet, but I'm so excited for this. This is actually gonna be my Christmas wreath. As a matter of fact, I wanted to get something that I felt like I can probably use year round. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if this is just appropriate for Christmas, but it doesn't have, I don't know, I feel like it could go year round. Spring and summer even, because it doesn't have anything such as no frost or no lights, and it looks really clean and modern, so I really like it. So I'm gonna hook that into the door. So cute. Don't mind our table, is so messy. Ooh, we just got a security system installed in our house today, so they came by for that. And then I got some hangers. I wanted to get the regular white ones, but they were all sold out. They had the gray ones or all the other colors. And I thought I guess just get gray because that's the next most neutral color besides white. And then I got this cute little cookie jar. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at it. Cookies. And then I'm planning on just either baking or buying it and just put it in here. I wanted to get the clear one, but I think that if I get that one, the girls might be asking for a cookie every day. So I decided to just get this one. It's nice, clean, and modern, and it's all white. It's kind of big actually, but it's so cute. I got a rug for us. Let me show you guys the rug. It's so dark. Let me turn this light on. Okay. Ooh, this is our system. They installed it in. Nice. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Okay, so, oh, let me show you guys this real quick. I just had this done on our window. Actually, I did it myself a few days ago because this is just glass and you can see through it, so people outside can see in here. And obviously we did not want that, so I got these vinyl. I think they're vinyl, and I got these from Lowe's. So all you do is you measure and you spray the window with water, and then you just stick this on, and then it pretty much sticks on. It comes with a little squeegee and you squeeze the water out. But it took a long time doing because I had to cut everything and size everything perfectly, but I like it because you can't really see in and out. You can see a blur but not exactly who it is you're seeing, but I think this is so cool and kind of unique. Okay, let's go. Let me show you guys. The other thing I got a rug. So it says home sweet home. Super cute, decent size. I love it, so cute. I wanted to show you guys another thing I got the other day when I went shopping. I got these cute, I got the two same rugs, but these are so soft, so soft. They are, gosh, I think they're gray, but I don't know. I don't know why it's got like a blue hue to it. Got like a ocean blue hue, which I don't mind at all. I really like it. So it's not too plain, not just straight up gray against our tiles. It's already neutral gray. But I love it. It's so soft. Last thing I thought I would share with you guys is these easy, I think they're called easy liners. Let me show you guys. So this is called Easy Liner Smooth Top. I got these from Walmart, and these are pretty much liners that you can put on your kitchen cabinets, etc., so that it can stay clean. And I got 2 rows. I got, I think, a total of 4 of these little ones. I already used 2 of them, so I got a few more to go, but they're gonna go pretty much inside our kitchen pantries, just these areas, so that when you put food or store stuff, if anything spills or gets dirty, you could just wipe it off and it doesn't have to get on that part of the cabinets. Just thought I'd let you guys know this is the one I used before in the past, and I love it. And it's so easy. You just wipe it off if it gets on there, and then it's plastic, so it's really easy to wipe and come off. Hey guys, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hopefully it wasn't too long, or hopefully it wasn't too short. I haven't really been uploading because I've been so busy with the packing and unpacking and moving. If you guys move, you guys know what I am talking about. It's fucking crazy. It's freaking busy, and you just gotta time everything right with the U-Haul, all that stuff. So it gets a little bit chaotic, but for the most part, we are moved in. I'm super happy, super thankful for everything that's been happening in my life. I think that wraps it up for this vlog. And you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Thank you guys all again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.